Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Reddit app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But if you're using an iPhone device like I am here, press the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen right there, and then go down to the bottom right page, the search page, and at the top start typing in Reddit. Press the search button at the bottom right, and then scroll past the advertisement and go to the first organic listing right here, the Reddit app with a sort of orange background. On the right hand side of the listing, there currently is a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. That simply means that I've downloaded the Reddit app on this App Store account in the past, not necessarily this specific device, but maybe another iPhone or an iPad or a MacBook or something like that. I have downloaded this app before, but if you've never downloaded the app before, it will have the GET button, the get button. Either way, press it and then follow the steps and it will start downloading. And you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle right here. I will be back once this has fully downloaded. And so there we go guys, Reddit has fully downloaded on this device, and from within the App Store, press the open button and that is going to launch the app and start running it. And then from there, we have the option to basically log in or sign up to get started with Reddit. You can continue with phone number or Google, Apple, or actually just use your email or username. And there we go guys, Reddit has fully downloaded on this device. If the video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.